Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the sleep cycle and the importance of Sleep Awareness Week. Understanding the sleep cycle is key to realizing why sleep is so crucial for our health. The sleep cycle includes four main stages. Stage 1, light sleep, where we drift in and out of sleep. Stage 2, where our heart rate slows and body temperature drops. Stage 3, deep sleep, essential for physical recovery and health. And REM sleep, where dreaming occurs and brain activity increases. Each stage has its unique benefits, contributing to physical restoration, memory consolidation, and emotional processing. During Sleep Awareness Week, we emphasize the significance of these stages and offer tips for better sleep, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and managing stress. By understanding our sleep cycles, we can enhance our overall health, mood, and productivity. Join us in this comprehensive guide to better sleep and the celebration of Sleep Awareness Week.